Hey man, I'm telling you, man, you gotta get yourself some of that Bitcoin, man. You go on the internet, you click, 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 you got yourself some Bitcoin, put in your wallet, and you holler, they call it holler, you holler at it, and get money, you're gonna be a Bitcoin millionaire right now. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Satoshi Sean, glad you're here. Just want to do a little update video for kind of this month. I haven't really done one in a couple weeks. What's going on, what I have planned for myself and my crypto and now other journey. I wanted to go over Divi, some stuff on Cryptocom, go over what Monarch, what I didn't go over in my Monarch video here. Go over my Divi masternode that I set up about 3 weeks ago, the silver. Tell y'all how it's been doing and what I think of Divi in general, and go over Hetahash and what I think about that. Which is really, I don't know, it's not that bad, but it is. I'm really tired of Hetahash. I wanted to kind of shit or get off the pot, but let's get started. First, if it's your first time here, please, or if you have been here many times and haven't, please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Try to get out a couple of videos or 3 a week. Somewhat educational and always entertaining. No matter what, new subscriber, old subscriber, please crush the like button. Really appreciate it. Okay, let's start out with Divi. One of the things I did this week was I purchased some extra Divi right away. On top of what I had been earning to get to 10,000, because I wanted to take part in the lottery. Every block, the system sets aside 50 Divi. At the end of the week, they have a lottery where 11 people are randomly picked, and one person wins like a big. 1 week, about 500,000 Divi will be sent to 11 random winners. So 11 people win. One person wins like 225, 250,000, and then the rest of the people win the rest in I think it's like 25,000. Yeah, 10 divided. Yeah, 250,000 divided by 10. It's late, kind of tired. That's how the lottery works. So that's why I bought like, I think I bought like 7,000, and then bought like another 1,900 because of the staking. Now the staking, it doesn't work like a lot of other staking works. With some other staking wallets and masternodes, like they have the tiered masternode, which is the gamification, which is cool, and I like it because it allows people with different bankrolls to get into masternodes. But the staking works kind of the same way. You need 10,000 to start staking, but your reward payout is based on the amount that you stake, which I did not know, and now I know. I know that because I wasn't getting any staking rewards with the 10,000. I bought a little bit more, bought like another 2,000, still nothing. So I went in and I asked, and they said the main question was, how much are you staking? And they have really good support. They have an entire support channel on Telegram as well as the regular channel. But if they have a good bot where if you just put in stake / staking and then how much you're staking, it'll give you a readout of the amount that you'll get and the frequency. And with staking 18,000, which is what I had, I think, at the time, I would only get, it was not even one a month. It was like one every like 40 days. So the more you stake, the more often or frequent your payments are going to come in. So if you're staking $1 million, you're getting daily, payouts more than, a couple times a day. So it's a lot better to run that masternode. So what I wanted to do, so staking to me, it's not all that great for a small amount. As soon as you build up enough for the 100,000, set up the copper node and get the regular rewards. But to be in that lottery, it's important. So I want to always have 10,000 staking at least to have that chance to win the money in the lottery. So with that said, also this is 2.0, the Divi 2.0, which I'm really excited to come out. Also, I'm going to have an interview with the founder coming up this week, I believe. They're looking at adding cards, send money, you can withdraw it to your bank account. It's going to be really, really huge. I'm looking for Divi to. It's like right at the cusp of about to explode. It's been just masternodes and what's coming and development and all that, but I think we're at the point now where it's moving away from that. It's moving into to the actual product of what Divi wants to accomplish. So very, very excited about it. Let's head over to my wallet. And here we go. Okay, so I have 119,000 that's in there. I got the other 300,000 is my node. Where's the history? Okay, so you can see the 100. I'm getting 40 or 540 basically a day. If but it's a little random. Like I might not get it one day, and then I get two. Say I got 19th, I didn't get it the 20th. Then I got two on the 21st. Actually, three. But it averages out to, like 540 a day. That's when I bought the almost 2,000, and here's where I bought the 7,000, so that I'd have enough for the staking. So we'll go to the masternodes, which this is my first master, my one masternode, so it's the Highlander because there could be only one. So the masternodes, we have this one running. I've made 9,700 with that in the past week, which that's like 100 and change. Really? Yeah, that's like 97, 45. Yeah, it's like 140 bucks. That's pretty sweet. So we're going to deploy the new masternode, and don't have enough to do the silver. It is so freaking easy. I do a promo code, which I've given away a couple of these promo codes. I mean, you're going to see my promo code now. So, if you want to use it, use it. I've given away on Twitter, but hopefully I haven't given them all away. And these are good for a copper node hosting fee. All right, and it's going to be my second node, so node number 2, the electric boogaloo. Okay. That was close. Almost misspelled it. Okay. And waiting on confirmations. That's so easy. If you have to update the wallet, one click. This is really one-click technology. They are really bringing crypto to the masses, making crypto easy. That's their motto, and they're actually doing that. It's really cool. So now I got the copper set up. That'll start running and getting rewards. Usually takes like 48 to 72 hours for us to start kicking in. I'll go over that in my next update. And I'm also, like I said, interviewing the founder, Jim McCabe, probably, I think, Thursday or Friday, but I'll have it up this weekend. Okay, what's next? I think that's it. Yeah, that's it for Divi. Let's talk about, go back here, and Crypto.com. What's going on with them? Their syndicate this week is adding Chainlink. So if you are not in the United States, then you can use their which I've been watching this, and it's so frustrating, because you can use the syndicate on their exchange, and you can buy tokens as they list for 50% off. So you can get a buttload. That's on March 3rd. So if you can do that, you have to stake some Crow, however much you have staked. which I have a lot of crow stake. That is like one of my biggest bags. If you have like 10,000 staked, you can buy 1,000 worth, so on and so forth. It's right in their blog, which you should always check out. Also, you can buy gift cards through the Cryptocom app, and you can get double pay rewards, which is really cool. So that's like 6%, which is sizable. If you have the Jade card like I do, that's if you're in the Czech Republic. But they do this all the time, like for Valentine's Day, and they're always having specials like that. But still, if you buy the gift card, you're earning the points on it. And they are having a trading battle right now for Atom, which I mean, I'm going to hit a little later, but how Bitcoin has been bleeding has just been crushed. It's down it went down like $1,000 in the past couple of days. So it'd be nice to take part in this trading and then win some Atom. They're having $50,000 worth of Crow daily that they're going to be giving away, or from that daily that they're going to be giving away to traders. And also, they added the Singapore dollar stablecoin onto the app, which I don't know of any stablecoins that are not on the Crypto.com app. Not 100% sure on Tether, but I'm pretty sure it's there. But they have a ridiculous amount of stablecoins. And I think you get like 12% if you stake the stablecoins. So if you're like trading the MACD or something like that, where you're doing slowly, moving your money into Bitcoin and then moving it out, you can put that into you just put it into their crypto earn and earn interest on it, and you have access to it if you just do the where you don't lock it up for a month or 3 months. If you just put it into where you have access, you still earn on it, which is pretty cool. Now on the Monarch wallet, I wanted to go over this because I did the video on Monarch, but I knew this had been done, but they hadn't put out the information on it with tax season and as complicated as things are getting. I think 2019 was the last year you're really going to be able to get away with even being a casual crypto enthusiast and not having to have a professional help you with your taxes. Or if you want to try it yourself, go ahead. But Monarch Wallet, it's something really, really cool, massively, hugely cool, is they have where you can download a CSV file, which has all your transactions and everything for the year. So it'll make tax time so easy. You don't have to keep track of everything. If everything you're using goes through the Monarch Wallet, then you'll have a record of that at the end of the year. You can just print it out, hand it off to your accountant, whoever's doing your taxes. Easy peasy. So I wanted to hit that because that was cool. Then that's about it. Except, well, there's one other big thing before I go into I'll go into Metahash. What the heck? All right, so Metahash. Let's go do this real quick, like I have been doing for months. Pulling up my Metahash app. Here it is. Isn't it lovely? Metahash is down like 90, whatever, 95 something percent. I've lost a bunch. Somebody put a comment months and months ago, or not that much, yeah, months and months. I wouldn't hold Metahash unless if they paid me to. And they said, hold on, they do pay me to, which is one of the only reasons I've really held into this, is because with DTAX and forging, and then forging in general, I'm earning so much Metahash coins, MHCs, that the sting of the price of the token is not as bad, but it's still terrible. But there's not a ton of dApps that have been added. There's not a ton of stuff going on, but there is some. And honestly, when I've really been looking at it, there's been a little bit of a bump this week. It went up to 0.04, which is like 20%. So it's not. So I've had a little bit of a boost of confidence. So we'll go here to the 1 week, and it went up. Now with Bitcoin being hit and it bleeding, that's bad. but a lot of my tokens, a lot of stuff is down 20%, 10%, and this is it's following suit, but it's still only 3.3, which is what it was like 2-3 weeks ago. It's not dying. So I'm not buying any, but if I see some more interest, I mean, I'm still talking about it. I still think it could be cool. It has a good community still. There's still a decent community. But if I see some interest and I see things moving them, I think it would be time to buy in, because what I have what, 180, 200, 190,000. A few months ago, like 6-7 months ago, that was worth like 20 grand. And now it's worth like 600 bucks, 700 bucks, probably less now because it went down to 3.3. So that's depressing and that's sad. But it was at 11 cents. So, I mean, the potential is there if it comes back. So we'll go to forging and get this done. Coin delegation, and type in DTAX and see what they're paying now. Still 81% of their share, so that is cool. Gray, what are we at? White, gray, purple. Let's go purple. And we're going to delegate from my wallet, which is 13,600. Put in 13,500. I hope I remember my password. I haven't done this. No, but that's okay. I got it. Knew it. All right. I haven't delegated in probably like 3 weeks. Okay. And we're done. Okay. So what are we at here? 158, 182,000. And the thing, now we'll go back to here we go. Another thing about Hetahash that keeps me holding on is the team is not being super talkative with me. After I did my review and I talked to them, they kind of dropped off. They're not very responsive to me anymore, which is something that really bugged me. But they're writing in Medium. They're putting out lots of information. They are engaged, and it looks like they're working. There's constant posts. There's constant articles that they're writing. So it's not like they're just dropping off the face of the earth. They're just not kind of being super friendly with me. I'm going to try to get an interview with one of the team and ask what's going on and what's upcoming for 2020. If you think that's cool or a good idea, then hit me up in the comments or hit me on Telegram or Twitter and let me know. Last is what's coming. I wanted to start that this week is traditional stock trading. Me and my buddy over at Kiss Crypto, he actually started a traditional stock trading channel. I kind of want to incorporate it into my own channel here just because I don't want two channels. I have one that I do news on. I always forget to talk about the Cryptopolitan for all of your daily news when it comes to crypto and blockchain technology. Head over there. So I already had two, but I don't know if I'll start one, but I'm going to incorporate this. I want to use Robinhood because I want to make it very simple and very easy. I have used Robinhood in the past, but I dumped and kind of went all in with crypto back when we hit the low months ago when Bitcoin hit hit its low. Now you can buy crypto on Robinhood, quite a few cryptos you can buy on Robinhood, but you don't own your own keys. However, when it comes to trading stocks, sometimes I think it's better than letting it sit in cash. If you're selling stock and you have a cash position, if I think that crypto is going to move, I'll just move it into crypto and let it sit, and then let it ride up. But that's getting neither here nor there. So I dumped about $2,000 into Robinhood, and then I was going to get the Robinhood Gold, which give you an extra 1,000 to in buying power and margin trading and all that. But I did that on Friday, and I was it's like, yeah, waiting to do this. Let me just buy some Ford stock and put some money into Litecoin. And then Monday, the market opened, and everyone knows what the coronavirus is doing. Everything is tanking. The Dow dropped 2,000 points in the past couple of days. It's not a good time for me to start this, but it's coming. I actually had to put in like another $100 and change to get the Robinhood Gold going, and then I'll start doing probably like one video a week on. I'm not going to do a lot of trades because you need, I think, 25,000 to be doing daily or day trades. I'll probably do some swing trades, and I think I can do like two a week, maybe 3 a week, whatever it is, until the big brother wants to smack me on the hand. So I'm not going to do a lot of trades, but I'm going to do some research. Then what I'm going to do, what my plan is, I'll let you know, and then I'll do an update video, talk about how it went. So that is coming. That's about it for this update. Hope everyone enjoyed everything. So just to recap, Crypto.com, what's going on there. Monarch, you can port over all your transactions for taxes, which is super easy and amazing. That came with the last updates. If you updated your phone, you got that, or your app. Divi, set up the copper node, see how that goes. Went over the staking, so the reward is higher or more frequent. The reward's the same, but it's more frequent the higher the amount is that you're staking in the lottery, which is really cool. Man, Hetahash, what I'm doing there, I'm going to try to get an interview, and I'm not spending a lot of time or focus on it. I'm just checking it. It's paying in though. It's still kicking. Should I have dumped it? Yeah. I mean, just mathematically and prudence wise, it would have been smart to have dumped it then. Even if it jumps now, buy in now. But hindsight, we're all in this. I'm in it for the long haul, so hopefully we have some movement on that. That's about it. You guys take care. It's good hanging out with you. I am Satoshi Sean. Bye-bye.